Avalanches don't happen on just any slope. They're only possible in a certain range of steepness. So put the PoleClinometer slope meter on your ski pole to get basically instant slope angle measurements by line of sight. Use it to measure a slope you're looking at from the side, or one you're looking down from the top, or even to measure the angle of the slope right at your feet. Put one on your ski pole and just dangle it for accurate line of sight readings. Simple, reliable, versatile, affordable, and tough enough to put up with all your everyday abuses. Why not step up your terrain awareness this winter? Get more info and order yours today at PoleClinometer.com.